Well, right now, thanks to this course, I'm able to pretty much understand and recognize the reason why I'm reacting to some particular situations in a particular way, and because of that I'm now able to understand the reason why and how I can change and react in a different way, in a more positive way, like a positive archetype and not the negative archetype as I used to do. I think that thanks to this course now I'm even more sure that I want to keep reading the books that I'm reading about the universe, your higher self, how to improve yourself. And thanks to this course I've discovered many things that I didn't know about. I mean, the chakras, I didn't know the chakras, I just knew there were many of them. I didn't know how many, the colors or anything, but thanks to Esteban now I'm a pro about chakras. The best thing from the course was the meditation, for sure, 100%. The meditations at the end of each chakra were the most interesting part, I think. If you want to know yourself, you want to learn about yourself, then take this course, for sure.